Yeah.
Hello.
Hey, my friend, how's it?
Hello.
Hello?
Hello.
Yeah, hey, Chichi.
Hi, man, I'm not Chichi. Who are you looking for? You are phoning the wrong number or the wrong person.
No, man, Chichi keeps on giving me this number. I've been verifying
No,
it.
who is Chichi? Who is Chichi?
Chichi, her name is Fezil. She's saying it's urgent. So, hey, I don't understand how is it a wrong number?
Where are you? Where are you?
I'm in Nelspruit. Where are you?
No, man, I'm in rural areas in Eastern Cape.
So, where's Chichi?
I don't know Chichi.
Because she sounds like she's in trouble. She's giving me this number and say I should call agent, this and that. So, no, man, and I'm telling her via Facebook that, no, man, this guy's...
You want Chichi?
Yes.
No, I don't know even that Chichi.
So, how...
It's a male or female?
How is it that she keeps on giving me this number, my guy?
No, I don't know him. I don't know even that Chichi.
She sounds like she's in trouble. I'm like, hey, let me call because I'm trying to tell.
I don't know about Chichi. Bye bye.
No, man, please give Chichi the phone. I want to talk to Chichi.
Hello.
My guy, please, man, let me talk to her because she sounds like she's in trouble.
I don't know Chichi. I can't say I know Chichi.
So
I don't know him.
How
What
is
is this? What is this? Another name.
Did you get the phone somewhere from a bus or a text or anything? Because maybe the phone is lost. I don't know.
The phone was Chichi.
Chichi's giving me this number to give her an urgent call.
I don't know who's that Chichi. Where is this thing?
Nelspruit, Mpumalanga.
No, I don't. I mean, in this case, I am in Eastern Cape in rural areas. I don't know. I don't know. I know Nelspruit is that I know it, but I'm in rural areas. I don't know Chichi.
What are you saying?
I'm not cheating you.
I
don't know Chichi, really.
What are you saying, my guy? I can't hear you. Please repeat yourself.
Did I don't know Chichi? What can I say? I don't know Chichi. I am not Chichi. I'm Wonga Hoto.
Who?
Not Chichi.
You are who?
I'm Wonga.
Wonga.
Wonga, yeah.
So how is it that how is it that you are in Eastern Cape but you are not speaking Xhosa?
I'm speaking Xhosa. I know Xhosa.
Oh, uyathetha wena?
That is Xhosa. I'm from the Eastern Cape and you Chichi. The Wonga.
Oh. Usho ukuthi uba uthethe unika inamba wrong.
Andiyangubani wena?
Mna ndikulinde yathi umxinga ukuba uchichi usengxakini mfowethu.
Ungubani wena?
Ndikuyindoku ndichaka unyana kaNjobu. Ndicinga uba uchichi usengxakini umnika inamba leni bathe ndiyayiverifya mfowethu.
Hayi andimazi umadlo ngibekunika inamba yami.
Eish yazi kuba endazi mfowethu hayi akho nto le.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.